Asalam-u-Alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. I expect that you will be fine and you will be spending your life like a joyed bird. So, today I'm gonna explain a very essential and one of important topic which is all about the history of great personality, or I can say the history of a hero of Pakistan who saved our life from the foreign enemies and who saved our country, our whole country from the foreign enemies. Who is Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan? In this video, I'm gonna explain the history or the biography of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. But before moving toward the history, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So let's step ahead toward the topic without wasting your time and my time. So, the history of Dr. Abdul Qadeer, the era of Dr. Abdul Qadeer. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan is held by the masses as a national hero and father of Pakistan's nuclear bomb. He was born on April 27, 1936 at Bhopal in central India. From paternal side, he belonged to the Turkish origin of Ghauri tribe who arrived in India in 12th century AD, while from maternal side his lineage belonged to the Mughals family. His father Abdul Ghaffur Khan, who had graduated from Nagpur University in 1896, he was one of the most respectable and honorable members of the community, and his mother Zulekha Begum was known as religious-minded woman. Some of his family members migrated to the Pakistan immediately after independence, but he migrated exactly after 5 years on August 15, 1952. Now coming toward the education, about his education, Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. Abdul Qadeer Khan got his primary education in Ginori Primary School and passed his middle examination from Jehangiriya Middle School. From Alexandria High School and later named Hamidiya High School, he got his matriculation letter. He got admission in DG Sindh Government Science College, Karachi. From Karachi University, he achieved his BSc degree, and the following year he succeeded in the competitive examination. He served as inspector of weights and measures for 3 years, but then he left for West Germany to get higher education. In Berlin, he achieved high competence through attending several courses in metallurgical engineering. He obtained the degree of Master of Science Technology in 1967 from Delft University of Technology, Belgium, and then earned a doctorate in metallurgy from the Catholic University of Leuven, Belgium in 1972. He excelled as a metallurgist and expert at building centrifuges, hollow metal tubes that spin very fast to enrich natural uranium in its rare U-235 isotopes, which is an excellent bomb fuel. No sooner had India declared their nuclear designs than Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the Prime Minister of Pakistan in that time, opted for the nuclear weapon even earlier than India went ahead for nuclear explosion on May 18, 1974. In a meeting of scientists hurriedly called on January 20, 1972, Bhutto urged the Pakistani scientists to carry out the task of fusion in 3 years. The task was assigned to Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan at that time was studying in Holland. Like Abdul Qadeer Khan was studying in Holland. On September 17, 1974, while he was working for Anglo-Dutch-German Nuclear Engineering Consortium, Urenco, the Netherlands. He wrote a letter to the Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto through Pakistan ambassador in Belgium. He informed him about the nature of his job and offered his services with a suggestion for taking a shortcut of uranium enrichment. He met Bhutto in December 1974 and convinced him to manage nuclear deterrence for Pakistan. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan initially worked with Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission headed by Munir Ahmad Khan for a short period, but since he was not satisfied with this setup, Bhutto gave Abdul Qadeer Khan in July 1976 autonomous control of the Kahota enrichment project that had been already operative as Project 706 since 1972. 2 years prior to Abdul Qadeer Khan's arrival in Pakistan. When Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan joined, it was called Engineering Research Laboratories (ERL). However, on 1st May 1981, ERL was renamed through an order by General Muhammad Ziaul Haq as Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan Research Laboratories (KRL). On May 28, 1998, Pakistan successfully tested its first nuclear device and emerged as the only Muslim country to join the nuclear club. The scientific contributions of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan have been recognized in several ways. As an active scientist and technologist, he has published more than 188 scientific research papers in international journals. Under his supervision, the process of uranium enrichment was effectively accomplished, and significant development was also made with the successful test firing of intermediate-range ballistic missiles. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan received honorary degrees of Doctor of Science from the University of Karachi in 1993, from Bakai Medical University in 1998, Doctor of Science from Hamdard University, Karachi in 1999, and from the University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore in December 2000. For his contributions in the field of science and technology, Dr. Khan was awarded Nishani Imtiaz in 1996 and again in 1998. Thus, he is the only Pakistani to have received twice the highest civil award. He is also a recipient of Hilali Imtiaz during 1990s. There were reports in the Western media that Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan had been involved in the sale of centrifuge parts to Libya and Iran. In November 2003, Pakistan was warned of possible nuclear leaks, and according to an IAEA report, Dr. Khan was accused of having at the center of an international proliferation network. Consequently, he was retired from KRL and was appointed as advisor to the president. In the beginning, Dr. Khan denied any kind of personal involvement in the nuclear proliferation. However, on February 4, 2004, in television appearance, he took full responsibility for his action and sought pardon from the nation. Since then, he is in the safe custody and no one is allowed to see him. And now, talking about the ends of his life, coming to the ends of his life in August 2021, Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan was admitted to Khan Research Laboratories Hospital after testing positive for COVID-19. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan died on 10th October 2021 at the age of 85 after being transferred to a hospital in Islamabad with lung problems. So I hope you have gotten the history of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan, who saved our life from the enemies and who saved our country from the enemies. I can say that he is the hero, and he was the hero of Pakistan who saved us. So this is all for today. If you have any question related to this topic or another topic, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. And in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So this is all for today, and thanks for being a part of this class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.